Hello guys! Today I will show you how to get and redeem the newest coupon codes on TEMU. This method works as of 2024. So without further ado, the first step to getting your code is to visit the website cryoflow.store. This can be done via your computer or mobile phone. Once on the website, search TEMU on the search box. Click on the result and you should be redirected to the TEMU coupon codes page. In a few steps, you will have your code to save on your order. Scroll down and select any offer by clicking the Show Coupon button and then the Unlock Code button. When generated, you go through a verification process to stop bots from obtaining keys. The verification process is required and it's different in every country, so take your time to complete it. Once completed, the code is revealed and ready to use. You will need to redeem the TEMU coupon using the mobile app. On the Use section of the app, scroll up and click on Coupons and Offers. Here you can type the code generated and hit Apply. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exclusive deals, discounts, and shopping tips. Happy shopping!